Do you want to achieve financial freedom before you turn 30? If you know how to deal with your past, how to deal with your past losses, if you know how to serve people, and if you are committed to create wealth, then you can achieve financial freedom before 30. In today's video, I'm going to share step-by-step process to achieve financial freedom before you turn 30. So, let's begin. What is financial freedom and why we need to achieve financial freedom? Financial independence is actually a process in which you can achieve all your dreams, you can live your dream lifestyle, and you can cover all your expenses through your passive income. There are actually 7 stages of financial independence or financial freedom, and we are going to learn all these 7 stages. First stage is clarity. In this stage, you know how much you need and how much you need to earn and how you are going to earn it. And that's where you achieve your first stage, that is clarity. Second stage is self sufficient. In this stage, you can achieve all your needs and desires through your proper income, any one income stream. So it is your self sufficiency. Stage number 3 is breathing room. At this stage, you can fulfill all your needs and desires, and still you will be having some savings. That means you have some breathing room for your expenses. This is your third stage. Fourth stage is stability. At this stage, your liabilities are minimalized or almost negligible, and you have enough saving for next 2 to 3 months. That means you have stability. Fifth stage is flexibility. At this stage, you have multiple income streams and you can fulfill all your desires and dreams through your passive incomes, and you have enough savings for next 6 to 7 months. Next, sixth stage is financial independence. This is the stage which we are going to target before 30. At financial independence stage, we can fulfill all your needs and desires from your passive income, and even if we stop doing work, we can complete all our needs for next 1 or 2 years. That means we have enough savings for next 1 or 2 years, and all your needs are fulfilled through your passive incomes. And last stage is seventh stage is abundance of wealth. At this stage, if you start working today, you can fulfill all your needs and desires. You can live a dream lifestyle without doing anything, and everything will be fulfilled through your multiple passive incomes. This is ultimate level of wealth creation, and you can achieve this after achieving financial independence. So, how to achieve this financial independence or how to achieve this financial freedom? There are 7 simple steps which I'm going to share with you. In order to achieve financial freedom or financial independence, first step is calculate how much you need. Unless you have clarity how much you need, how much are your expenses, you cannot figure out how much you need to earn. So this is first step of your financial independence. Calculate how much you need. Second step is calculate your net worth. It is easy. Calculate all your assets and minus them with your liabilities, and you need to calculate your net worth on regular basis. Third step is know the value of your time. Time is more precious than money because you can invest your time in wise things, and that's how you can create money. You cannot ask expect person who is not valuing his time. You cannot imagine your money if you are not respecting your time. Only person in a deathbed can imagine the value of time, real value of time. That's why respect your time. Fourth step is spend carefully. If you are spending all the money, whatever you are earning, then definitely you are never going to achieve financial independence. Because whatever you are earning, you need to reinvest it, and that's how you can create compounding effect. And that compounding effect is going to make you rich. Fifth step is earn more by doing side hustles. If you are dependent on single income streams, then definitely you are at a huge risk. You need to create multiple income streams so that you will be having flexibility and stability. Sixth step is invest intelligently. Wisely said by someone, if you cannot create a income source which will create a money for you even while you are in sleep, then you are going to work unless you die. Therefore, invest wisely. The best way of investment is investing in stock market. People think that it is risky, but if you invest wisely, then definitely it is going to create huge returns for you in longer time. And last step is enjoy your retirement. Here, retirement does not mean that you do not have to do anything. You can enjoy your dream lifestyle. At the same time, all you have to do is manage your assets and liabilities and increase your net worth. So, these are 7 simple steps to achieve financial independence. I hope you will be motivated to achieve financial independence, financial freedom before 30. This is my target as well. And if you are willing to achieve this target before 30, then join my Digital Empire Hub Club. You can find the link below and you can achieve financial independence before 30 with me. Thank you very much.